Hello. In this video I want to do a demonstration of the new AskSteem user searching functionality. So let's get started. So in order to start using user search, all you have to really do is keep using AskSteem as you normally would, and you'll begin to see user results appear among other results such as posts. However, there are also a number of new and powerful tools. In this video, I want to take a look at examples of both. So first of all, let's do a AskSteem search of AskSteem, for example. When we do this, we see a search results page, very similar to what we would have seen before this update. However, at the top of this page, there is a search result for the user account at AskSteem. You can click the blue link to be taken directly to that user on steem.com. You can see that user's bio. You can see the number of followers and the number of users they are following, and you can see their last 3 posts. You can also click on this context menu here and view the profile on busy.org. The rest of the search results are exactly the same. Additionally, if you'd like to learn more information about their followers and who they're following, you can click on either of these links to be taken to a list of other user accounts that fall into these categories. In this case, let's see who AskSteem is being followed by. We're now greeted with a list of all of the users who are following at AskSteem, and we can do the same for each of these to find out who's following them and who they're following, as well as see their latest 3 posts, their bio, and click their username in order to be taken directly to their page on steemit.com, or you can click the arrow and visit them on busy.org. You can go through multiple pages as you would normally. So that's how you'll see user results while just typically using the search engine. However, because we do now have this functionality, there are a number of new query types that you can use. The first one you've already seen. By using the following : or the followers : and then a username, you can find all of the users who are following or are being followed by any given user. So for example, to find users who follow me, you would type followers, the Kyle, : and this will return a result of all of the users who I am following. To find a list of users who are following me, you would type following : the Kyle. And now you'll see a list of users who are following my user account. You can also query users by follow count and following count. So for example, to find users who have more than 500 followers, you could use this syntax: followers _ count : greater than 500. This will return a list of users who have more than 500 followers. You could also, for example, search for lists with between 50 and 100 followers, like so. You can also search by user reputation. For example, if we wanted to find users who have a reputation of 30, we can use the syntax rep:30. All of the users we see now have a reputation of 30. We can click on any of their usernames to be taken to their profile. In this case, we see that they do indeed have a reputation of 30. You can use similar greater than or less than syntax with the reputation score. And finally, you can search by post count by using the post_count parameter. For example, if we wanted to find users who have less than 30 posts, you would use this syntax. And here we see this user has less than 30 posts. And so does this user. We can also search by the date that the user registered their account. To do this, we use the same method we would use to find posts that are created on a certain date. We use the created tag, : and then the date in the format year, month, day. So for example, today is June 20th, 2017, so we would type 2017-06, which is the month code for June, -20. And here we see a number of posts that were created today. Somewhere in here, there should also be some users. It doesn't appear to be the case right now. Let's try yesterday. Well, it doesn't appear to be showing any users. So instead, let's see users who were created during the month of May. So to do this, we simply type a range. For example, 2017-05-01 to 2017-05-31. And now we'll see a list of users who created their accounts during the month of May 2017. As you can see, this user did indeed join during the month of May. Finally, one of the more powerful search functions that you can now use AskSteem for is searching based on account value. For example, to find users who have exactly 10 Steam dollars in their account, you would use this syntax: balances.total.SBD : 10. This will return a list of users who have exactly 10 Steam dollars. In this user's case, it appears that he spent a number of Steam dollars since we last indexed his account. Let's try another one. I hope this video has been helpful in demonstrating the new user search functionality of AskSteem.